Welcome to Research Rocks. How to use and how to access select image area to search on your Google page. It's outstanding features Google are introducing couple of months ago. How to use, what is the advantage, we will see detailed demonstration in this video. Before start the video, please subscribe our YouTube channel Research Rocks. So simply open any of the web browser, like suppose for example this one, and simply right click and look at this here, search image with Google. If I click here, so the Google are providing me in the selecting particular area, and then after we can receive much more information. So look at this, I just simply search here cloud storage for photos. If I click here, related information are displayed here in Google Lens page. After that you can click here and receive much more information. That one is a really interesting features. And next, this is my personal home page. If I'm not understand what is the meaning of scientific discipline, so we can very easily right click, search Google and just simply select the specific word like this, and we are receiving here specific information. After that you can open here one of the page and then you can read related information and improve your knowledge skill. As it is, you can do same process of any website web page and receive related information, and that one is absolutely free. All browsers are providing such kind of information. It's very interesting features. I saw first time last couple of days ago. That's why I'm making this video. If you really like this video, so please hit the bell icon, share this video and subscribe our YouTube channel Research Rock. Till then, Jai Hind, Vande Mataram.